Hello friend, how are you? This one Infinity QX80 cars QX80. This one problem is backdoor, liftgate backdoors not open and not close. So what I can refer this one. Let's go look this one full video and subscribe my channel after get you new video. First, I will check the Lance Expo 31 scanner. Scan this. What's problem here? Any code show? Check this scan. There one code issue B2403. B2403 false encoder. Encoder. This one code issue his problem. I will refer this all this system you looks full video. This left side switch is not working, and back side open switch, close switch not working, open switch not working. Totally this one auto switch and all this switch is not working, not open and not close. So I will check this motor is not working. False encoder means this one motor shaft motor is not working. She is bad. I will change this one new motor here, and now I fix in the new motor here. Okay, and after I reset this code, looks she is gone, not go code. Yes, reset this one. False encoder means motor is bad, not working. Must need change full motor or repair. I will change new motor and clear it fault code and clear fault code. No DTC rejected. Now fault codes it not available, and I look so everything is okay, working not working. Okay, so first I close the all this door, and all this door is closed. All this door is closed, and go backside fittings, the all fittings, and check fittings the all connectivity. Okay, all this finished. Now I check. Okay, I'll check this one open. Okay, this one open the back door and close slowly, close this one. Okay, and now working, open and close working. Okay, I'll check inside have one swing, this one working not working. This one swing, auto swings left side, yes, left hand switch. Okay, door is open, yes, and close and close the door. Okay, now everything is okay, not had DTC, and problem is solved. You can same system you refer this one. If you not backdoor, you same system you refer this one. Thank you for watch the video. Okay, bye bye.